Welcome back everybody to this new video to Express. Now I must tell you something to continue with how to play Klarna into Amazon. Now Amazon doesn't directly accept Klarna as a payment method at a checkout. To pay with Klarna on Amazon, you needed to use a one-time virtual card generated through the Klarna application. Now this card acts as a temporary Visa card, allowing you to use Klarna payment options on any site that accepts the Visa. Now this is really depending on where you're actually currently located, because Klarna has a few elements that might be available for different countries. So instead, here is the tutorial. So what you need to do is to find your total and create a one-time card. So for example, let's go into Amazon, shop as you normally would like to add your desired items, add them to the cart, click into pay now, and inside the checkout page find the exact total of your purchase, including the cost of the shipping and taxes. You will need this amount for this next step. So now with this information, I'm going to focus back and then choose this element that says inside the Klarna application. I want to navigate to the Klarna wallet or the cart section in the setting options to create a one-time card. So for that, let's go for Klarna wallet or sign in. Inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is to choose the option that says sign in. So if you don't have an actual let's say an account here into Klarna, is going to be really important to have one of them, or you can just focus into Klarna wallet, which is a little bit more different than the actual application. And it says now here, use Klarna application digital wallet for easy access. So I'm going to click into it, allow all of them. And inside here, you can see that we have all our general cards. So inside all the general cards, what you need to do is to choose the option that says continue into the application. And it's going to be generating you an actual welcome to Klarna. Choose the option that says sign in, or in my case, choose the option that says continue with an actual account. So choose your phone number, hit for continue, and choose the country you're currently living. Let's say, for example, this one. And I give sign in. Once again, let's head back to create your account. Now that we are inside there, you can look out for your cards and of course enter the exact total purchase amount for Amazon into the Klarna application. Now we need to do this process inside the Klarna application, but basically this will be generating you an actual virtual card that you can use for payment inside Amazon. Then you can choose your preferred payment plan, such as in paying 4, paying 30 days. Klarna will then create a virtual Visa card for the specific amount, and you can use this specific card to import this directly here into Amazon. So when I choose to making my payment, it will be asking me to enter a new credit card, the name of the card, the expiration date, and the security code. And then I choose the option that says add my card, and once you finish with this process, choose the option that says use this payment method, so you can now pay directly in there. Once you have finished this process, back here into Klarna, it will be appearing you the actual payments. So your Klarna payment plan will now be active in your Klarna application, and the Klarna will pay into Amazon for the entire purchase, and this specific purchase will be appearing back into Klarna according to the choosing the schedule. You can manage the schedule directly with the Klarna application. The one-time card valid for 24 hours will no longer be useful the next time you want to use Amazon, or I mean after the 24 hours. So as you can see here, we don't have any O yet because we haven't made any payment yet, but this is how you can actually done this process. So guys, hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools for how we can use Klarna. And so thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.